Hi, I'm Patrick Halde, Chief Growth Officer at Vention, and welcome to Automatica 2023. I'm really excited to introduce remote support to our European market. Let's take a closer look together. Here's our new Pendant that can be handheld or in a fixed position. With the simple touch of a button, you can reach our customer success team in under 10 minutes. It is equipped with a front and back camera, speakers, microphone, and a port for your headset. Our remote support allows our customers with high priority automation to get support at any time, anywhere. So with on-demand troubleshooting and issue resolution, you'll be able to reduce downtime and increase overall efficiencies. With the front and back cameras on the Pendant, you're able to live stream with automation experts at Vention and show in details what's happening with your machine. With screen sharing and real-time chat, we're able to access machine configurations and programs for quick improvements. So whether it's hardware or software related, you now have the ability to resolve your issues on demand directly on your shop floor. So in the end, connecting to a customer success team has never been quicker and easier with remote support.